This how to 1 minute will show you how to fix HTTP error 500 in cPanel. So if you're having this issue, follow these easy steps to fix it. First of all, log into your cPanel and scroll down. Click on File Manager. Once you are in your File Manager, navigate to your website folder, open it. And now we need to edit .htaccess file code. Basically, the .htaccess is a hidden file. To show the file, click on Settings, and here check this box for Show Hidden Files and click on Save. And now search for .htaccess file. Right click on it and click on Edit. Once you are in your .htaccess file or code editor, you have to select all of these files and remove these files. Click on Save Changes and the problem should be fixed now. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.